Hello everyone, welcome to Vstation for CLAT. CLAT 2025 appearing students, not even a year, we hardly have 11 months time, 300 days. Now, what can be taken from this CLAT 2024 paper, especially legal reasoning section? If you see the paper, we had around 32 questions, 5 passages. Each passage around 6 to 7 questions. Two passages were directly from acts, recent acts. Take it. One was around the press bill. Second one was recently about the Juvenile Justice Act, Personal Data Protection Bill, highly expected. And the other two topics were random topics. One was on online defamation and voidable marriages. Now, most of the students scored around 26 plus, 27 plus, which was a very decent score. Now, how you have to prepare for CLAT 2025 legal component? As we said, for any fresher, either you can be a fresher, కొత్తగా స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చు లేకపోతే ఇంకా అసలు స్టార్ట్ you have already done with the so-called classes, legal section classes and writing your mocks. But what you have to do, divide your 11 months component into 3 components. For example, say for January, February and March, focus on reading newspapers, because this is going to seriously help you out. The way in which they were asking questions, taking passages directly from Hindu, 2 passages were directly from the Wire. Okay, so what you have to do, apart from the regular Hindu reading newspaper, మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే there are some websites. ఆ వెబ్సైట్స్ లీగల్ ఆర్టికల్స్ కూడా చూస్తూ ఉండాలి. సో దట్ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపన్, బై ద టైమ్ వెన్ యూ రీచ్ ది ఏప్రిల్ మంత్, ఏప్రిల్ కల్లా వచ్చేసరికి ఆ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ అనేది ఇంకొంచెం ఈజీ అయిపోతూ ఉంటుంది. ఏ వెబ్సైట్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి? ఓకే, livelaw.in is a very good website. You can also follow the bar and the bench, okay, IP leaders. ఈ 3 వెబ్సైట్స్ లో ఏదో ఒక వెబ్సైట్ ఇనిషియల్ ఫేజ్ లో, ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ జనవరి టు మార్చ్. Now focus on your foundation and the basics of how to approach this legal reasoning section, with giving emphasis for extensive comprehension skills in these 3 months. So you are not appearing for a law paper, you are only appearing for a legal reasoning section paper. So you need not remember the entire criminal law, the CRPC, where the names got changed enough. Okay, IPC not required. So what you have to do, if you are a fresher now, if you are appearing, if legal reasoning section component is completely fresh, start reading newspapers, follow these 3 websites also, any one website also will do. After March, ensure that your extensive reading is to the next level. Go for legal articles. Ensure that you are linking, articles taken from any polity based articles, any national affair articles. Take an IR article, take even the so-called economical articles, interlink with the so-called legal passages also, legal section also. This is what we have to do from January till next year, May month, Jan to May 2025. This is what you have to do. You should clearly thorough in the approach for legal reasoning section. From June till October, you have to solve mock papers. Legal reasoning, you will be very good, you will be scoring very high only when you solve as many number of mocks, as many number of questions. Sit with the faculty, discuss with the faculty, ఈ ఆన్సర్ ఎందుకు ఇలాగే వచ్చింది. Because if you see the word passages this year of 2024, each and every passage roughly around 400 words ఇచ్చాడు వాడు. When we did go for the counting system and all, 300 to 420, 430 words overall. Okay, ఒక్కొక్క passage. If you see the question word limit also, in some passages there were direct questions where we only had around 20 words. కొన్ని passages ఎలా ఇచ్చాడంటే the word length actually varied up to 120 words. ఏదైతే lengthy passages ఉన్నాయో అలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ we have to tackle well. Our preparation has to be in such a way that even that particular passages also which should not be so tough for us. So these previous year question papers, especially firstly your CLAT 2024 paper and CLAT 2021 to 2024, you have to go through. First, have an understanding of how is the legal reasoning questions being asked. Students kept on, they were blindly following the so-called age-old CLAT pattern system, like the principle would be given, the fact would be given, questions would be based on that, no more. Okay, so for this new legal reasoning section pattern, first important parameter what we would suggest is that Hindu analysis every day, the foundations of the entire legal basics. Go for following these 3 websites. Any of the website also will do. Okay, Apart from that, previous year question papers. Now, by the time when you reach out to June month, you should be in a situation to attempt all the 32 questions. Be 32, it can even increase up to 30, 34 also, 34 also. Okay, the number of passages might increase. We do not know. We expected around 6 to 7 passages. Ichindi only around 5 passages. This was the most scoring section this year, where many students actually scored around 28 plus. So, for all the students who are preparing for CLAT 2025, stick to these principles. Okay, solve as many mock papers. Be ready to solve for those mock papers from June month. June to October, what we have to do? As I said, solve the papers, discuss with the faculty. For any further updates, do follow VCSTF for CLAT. Thank you.